Learn how to easily install CCleaner on your Windows 11 PC. Follow this quick tutorial to clean and optimize your system in no time. Go to Google and search for CCleaner. Open the official CCleaner website from the search results. Avoid clicking on advertisements. Select the free download option, not the Pro version. Locate the download in your browser's download section and click to open it once complete. Close the web browser after starting the installation file. Click on the Customize button during installation. Uncheck any unnecessary shortcuts or additional options based on your preference. Decline bundled offers. If offered additional software like AVG antivirus, select Decline. Finish installation. Complete the installation process. Uncheck the option to view release notes unless needed. Run CCleaner. Select Run CCleaner to launch the application. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.